All right, here we go, everybody. Got the Toyota Tundra right here with what we call the Super Glow. There you go. Walking around from left to right. We got some LEDs in the grill. We got the Super Glow on the bottom. It is a multicolor, but he is a Dallas Cowboy fan. So we've got it as blue we can get right here. Dallas Cowboy fan, looking real good. We're going to open the truck, go inside the vehicle. All right. We got glows on the inside. We're going to open the rear door. We got glows coming out under the seat. Here you go, look up top. We even got the Dallas Cowboys logos up there up top, shining through, moving up the top, look at that. So he's got the Dallas Cowboys. There we go. Then we did a radio in the dash with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right there. He's got a really good glow on this car, really good. We'll go to the back and rock around. Cowboys logos look real good. They're real good. Got some blue flames coming off of it. We just dialed down the lights so we could really see the glow coming out. This is the Big Daddy Dallas Cowboy fan. Real good looking truck. We're going to try to see if we can move him into some wheels that'll match all this bling on this Dallas Cowboy blue. Looking real good. Looking real good. So there we go. There's the demo of the Dallas Cowboy Toyota Tundra with the Super Glow. Perfect. Look at that. Looking good. The grill looks real good. All right. There you go, everybody. Another successful LED glow system.
We got this beautiful 2017 Audi R8 V10 at the shop, wrapped in Asante wheels. Beautiful car. Brought this video to you because this just got done in Lumar's new IRX film, brand new state-of-the-art film they just released. Absolutely amazing. Car is just absolutely super cool. Carbon fiber accents from the factory. But the heat rejection of this new IRX film is unreal with some testing we did in the shop.